Hey, it's Kessler doing my cable tester project for Justin Riley and Audio Electronics. Alligator clips, battery, guitar cable. Got like 100 of these crappy LEDs. Let's get to work. Attaching my alligator clip to the negative side of the battery. That goes to the tip of the cable. I'm going to work our way to the other tip of the cable. Attach our other alligator clip. Got a resistor over here too. Forgot to mention that. Put a resistor in the other clip. And then, oh, there we go. There we go. That's your closed circuit. That's about it. Thank you very much.